How to cancel an order on Shein. Hello, everybody. If you would like to cancel your order on Shein, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So you may log in into Shein account, open up Shein and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now, what you may do is look out for the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you will be finding this option right here called My Orders within this page. Look out for that option, tap on it, tap on View All, and open up your orders. Now, here you should be finding your orders, usually everything that you've done. So if you would like to order, you may just go ahead and look out for the section like the orders, unpaid, processing, shipped, review, returns, etc. So look out for your product here. And then once you look out for your product, you should be finding your product, including that an option called cancel order. So you can just go ahead and tap on that cancel order. In that way you can cancel it. But if you don't have that cancel order option, that means the product has already been shipped and it is ineligible for cancellation. So if your order has already been shipped, you can refuse delivery or initiate a return once it arrives according to Shein's policy, and that way only you can cancel an order. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to cancel your order on Shein as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.